get the light on it. There you go. See that decoration? It's got a little hollowed bit at the back. That decoration there, I think, looks like a purse bar. What do you think? It's only a fragment, but let me know. It's not a buckle. So something like that. Something like a purse bar. So right, on to the next. I'm on a fresh bit of field here, so I'm just searching at the moment in hope. Right, ladies and gents, just had this beautiful buckle fragment. Just looking at it now. There's some nice decoration on there. You can see there. I'm not sure what to make of it yet.